Students, let us take the next lesson, that is a poem, Macavity, the Mystery Cat. This poem is composed by T.S. Eliot and it is taken from the book Old Fashioned Book of Practical Cats. So before coming to the lines of the stanza, let us see about T.S. Eliot. His full name was Thomas Stearns Eliot. Thomas Stearns Eliot. He was born in America, but later on he settled with his parents in Britain. So he was born on September 26, 1888. So today is the birthday of T.S. Eliot. He was a great poet, dramatist, critic, editor, and so many qualities he had. So he was born in Louis, Missouri in United States. On which date? On today, 26 September 1888. His father's name was Heribert Eliot and mother was Charlotte Champ Stearns. He was married with Vivian Wood and his poems are The Wasteland, Portrait of a Lady, Love Song of J. Alfred Prufrock, The Hollow Man, and so many others. His famous dramas are The Cocktail Party, The Murder in the Cathedral, The Family Reunion, and The Confidential Clerk. He was passed away on January 4, 1965. He was a Nobel Prize winner also. He got the Nobel Prize in 1848. 1948. He was the recipient of Nobel Prize and received the prize in 1948. Now, let us come on the lines of the poem. Macavity, a mystery cat. Macavity is one of the imaginary character. It is one of the cat and it is full of mystery. No one could know about Macavity in detail. So Macavity, a mystery cat. Macavity is a spy. Macavity is a trickster, and Macavity is a mastermind also. He is called the Hidden Paw. His another name is Hidden Paw. His paws are hidden. No one could catch committing the crime by Macavity, the cat. For he is the master criminal. Who is the master criminal? Macavity, the cat. He is a master criminal who can defy the law, and that cat, Macavity, did not follow, did not obey the law. Against the law, he committed the crime. This poem is full of fun. He is the bafflement of Scotland Yard. The Flying Squad's despair. The Scotland Yard and the Flying Squad, all of them were hopeless, sad about the cat. He is the bafflement. He was the confusion. By whom? Scotland. Scotland Yard was confused about Macavity. The Flying Squad's despair. Flying Squad's group of squad means group of soldiers. The Flying Squad despair. They also were sad. They were hopeless in catching the cat Macavity. For when they reached the scene of crime, Macavity not there. Because whenever they reached at the spot, Macavity was not found. After committing the crime, it flew away. They failed to catch the cat of the crime. Macavity is not there. Macavity was not found at the place, at that spot. It disappeared after committing the crime. So here is one of the figure speech, that is assonance. Assonance, you know about that figure of speech. When vowel sound is repeated, that is known assonance, and when consonant sound is repeated, that is known consonance. So both are repetitions. So maka biti, maka. Here same sound is repeated, so here is assonance. And so far as the rhyme scheme is concerned, here is A, B, pa, la, A, despair, dear, B. So rhyme scheme of the poem is A, B. So I think this stanza is clear. Now note down the questions. Who is called the hidden paw? Next question. Why is it the bafflement of the Scotland Yard? Third question. What do you mean by the word bafflement? And the last question. Write rhyme scheme of the above stanza. Thank you.